Hello, my name is Gabrielle Saja and I am a physical therapist, Alexander Technique teacher, and holistic educator. I've been thinking about this workshop that I'm really excited to offer free to parents online that I'm going to be setting up soon. And I was talking to a colleague about it. The title of the workshop is called Back to the Building, Navigating the Transition Back into School with Our Body as an Anchor. And I was talking about this with a colleague, and I was also talking to her about how I'm having a hard time getting back in the groove to put this workshop together. I've had a family member that's been ill, and I've been spending a lot of time at home helping this family member. And what happens is I go home and I get really engrossed and I'm doing all this really great stuff. And then I come back here to DC and it just takes me a while to get back into the swing of things. And so what I'm finding, and what I know as a scientist, is that when we get really stressed, whether it's physical stress or whether it's emotional and mental stress, those primitive survival parts of our brain get really active and they hijack our frontal cortex. And it makes it hard to think straight. So I'm talking about all this to a colleague, and as I'm starting to talk about the things that I love to do and how I love working with families and teenagers, my brain started to come back online, and I could start to feel the adrenaline drop down in my body as I started to be able to access my executive control in this part of my brain again. And all it took was a simple conversation. So this is what I can help parents with right now as we all figure out how to start the school year. It's also how I help teenagers. During the teenage years, kids are still developing this part of our brain. They don't quite yet have that self-awareness. And the teenage years are therefore a great time to begin to develop their self-awareness about their body so that they can use their body as a source for making good decisions. So look out for this event, and I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Gabrielle Saja, and I'll see you soon.